Biomedical equipment technicians. As the array of equipment used in medical settings becomes more complicated, there is a need for specially trained technicians to keep this equipment in good working order. Field repairers visit work sites such as hospitals, medical clinics, and doctors' offices in their assigned area on a regular basis to do preventative maintenance according to the equipment manufacturer's recommended schedules, and at other times whenever repairs are necessary. Bench technicians work in repair shops in hospitals, clinics, and laboratories, performing maintenance and repairs on smaller portable equipment. Biomedical equipment technicians work on diagnostic machines such as X-ray, MRI, and CAT scanners, and operating room lights. After repairing the equipment, they may advise their customers on how to use the machines more efficiently and teach them how to spot trouble in its early stages. When equipment breaks down, repairers first examine work orders, which indicate problems, or talk to equipment operators. It may take several hours to locate the problem, but only a few minutes to fix it.
Primary duties that I have here are doing preventive maintenance on equipment in the field, as well as repairing and maintaining the equipment.
Experienced repairers with advanced training may become troubleshooters for other repairers, helping them diagnose difficult problems. Or they may work with engineers in designing equipment, or develop better maintenance procedures. Generally, the work is done in clean, well-lighted, air-conditioned surroundings. There can be job hazards, such as minor burns and electrical shock, when working around high voltage.
We have to maintain the safety of the staff and patients at all times, so we have very stringent electrical safety standards that must be followed.
These technicians use a variety of electronic diagnostic tools, including voltmeters, ohm meters, signal generators, ammeters, and oscilloscopes, as well as small hand tools.
We use a number of different diagnostic units to check the equipment: the oscilloscope, here the voltage regulator, and a function generator, which gives us standard outputs and voltages.
Since they generally have to structure their day themselves, it is important that they be self-motivated and organized. Shift work may be required, since hospitals are open round the clock and hours are usually assigned on the basis of seniority. It is also possible to be on call for emergency repairs.
One of the things I find most satisfying about working in biomedical engineering is being able to fix equipment that I know will save patients' lives or help them get better. And the other thing I find most satisfying is the variety of equipment. We can work on different things as simple or as complicated as this monitor system here, or something as small as blood pressure cuffs where they take blood pressures. I like the variety. It never gets boring.
Science and math courses in high school are very desirable. Good eyesight and color vision are needed to inspect and work on small, delicate parts, while normal hearing is necessary to detect malfunctions revealed by sound. Having good communication skills and the ability to handle jobs alone are necessary attributes. Part-time work or volunteer experience in a hospital is a good way to become familiar with the medical environment.
I get a real rewarding experience or feeling from helping physicians and nurses that are directly affecting patient care. We have people that are sick or elderly, and this equipment monitors them, helps the doctors and nurses monitor these patients.
Because of their familiarity with equipment, biomedical equipment technicians are particularly well qualified to become manufacturers' sales workers. Those with leadership ability may also become maintenance supervisors or service managers. Typical job duties include performing preventative maintenance on MRI machines, replacing defective components, circuit boards, or wiring in equipment that needs repair, listening to customers' complaints and answering questions in a manner that promotes goodwill, and troubleshooting for other repairers in diagnosing difficult problems. The education and training is 1 to 2 years of training in electronics through a vocational technical school or community college. The curriculum would include courses in mathematics, physics, electricity, schematic reading, and troubleshooting. A Bachelor's of Science degree in electrical engineering gives an edge in the very competitive market. Work sites would include hospitals, which sometimes hire a full-time repairer, as well as medical clinics or doctor's offices. Private service companies also employ many technicians. Beginning workers typically earn between $25,000 and $30,000 per year, though with more years of experience, the salaries can go as high as $50,000 per year. The job outlook is good, as employment in this field is expected to increase about as fast as the average for all occupations. Jobs outside of the federal government in private industry will be more plentiful due to cutbacks in government funds. For more information, contact the American Society for Medical Technology at 2021 L Street, Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20036, or email